Imagine waking up to find your reputation tarnished by false information online. What would you do? Major search engines like Google, Bing, and DuckDuckGo index vast amounts of information, including negative content. Defamatory content can include false information designed to harm a person's reputation. Negative reviews or complaints from customers can be damaging for businesses. Legal issues and information about convictions can often be found online, affecting reputations. Unflattering news stories picked up by search engines can harm a person's or business's reputation. Personal information, such as addresses or phone numbers, can sometimes be found online. Old or outdated information can still appear in search results, creating a negative impression. Negative social media content, including posts, images, or videos, can appear in search results. Inappropriate content, such as embarrassing photos or explicit material, can also be indexed. Hacked content can appear in search results if your website or account has been compromised. Managing your online reputation is crucial in this digital age. Regularly check what information about you or your business is available online. Contact the website owner to request the removal of negative content. If the website owner doesn't respond, appeal to the search engine itself. Google has policies for removing certain types of sensitive personal information. Consider seeking legal advice if the content is defamatory or violates laws. Online reputation management, ORM, can help promote positive content to push down negative results. In the European Union, you can invoke the right to be forgotten law. SEO techniques are essential for managing negative search results. Optimizing positive content can help it rank higher than negative content. Keyword optimization ensures your website appears in relevant search results. Link building boosts the authority of your positive content. Regularly updating existing content keeps it relevant and engaging. Cease and desist letters can request the removal of negative or false information. Requesting content removal involves contacting webmasters directly. User engagement is vital for managing your online reputation. Encouraging positive reviews can improve your brand's reputation. Responding to reviews shows you value customer feedback. Technical solutions like using robots.txt can control how search engines index your site. Removing outdated content through tools like Google Search Console can help clean up your online presence. Stay proactive in managing your online reputation to prevent negative information from appearing in the first place.